7 Amazing Chicken Facts. 1. Chickens are descendants of dinosaurs. Modern-day chickens are believed to be the closest living relatives of the Tyrannosaurus rex and other dinosaurs. They share a common ancestor with the mighty dinosaurs that roamed the Earth millions of years ago. 2. Chickens have unique communication. Chickens use a wide range of vocalizations and body language to communicate with each other. They have distinct calls for warning of predators, signaling food discoveries, and even purring when content. 3. Chickens can remember faces. Studies have shown that chickens have an impressive ability to recognize and remember human and animal faces. They can distinguish between friendly and threatening individuals, displaying social intelligence. 4. Chickens dream when they sleep. Like many animals, chickens experience REM, rapid eye movement, sleep, which suggests they dream during their slumber. During this phase, their brain activity resembles that of a dreaming human. 5. Chickens are omnivores. Chickens are not just grain eaters, they are omnivores. They will eat insects, small reptiles, and even small mammals if given the opportunity. Their diverse diet contributes to their ability to thrive in various environments. 6. Chickens have excellent daytime vision. Chickens have exceptional daytime vision and can perceive a broader spectrum of colors than humans. This heightened vision allows them to spot predators and locate food efficiently. 7. Chickens lay different colored eggs. The color of a chicken's earlobes determines the color of their eggs. Chickens with white earlobes usually lay white eggs, while those with red or brown earlobes produce brown eggs. The size and color of the eggs don't affect their taste or nutritional value. These fascinating chicken facts showcase the intelligence and diversity of these often underestimated birds, adding to their charm and uniqueness in the animal kingdom.